Hi guys, my name is Victor. Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make money online. Now in this site is called Cheap Connect. So in this video I'm going to show you different ways to make money using this site. The first way to make money in this site is by buying data bundle. If in this site they sell their data at cheap rates, you can get MTN 1 gig at the rate of 350 naira. So by getting data for them, you can then send it to other people at the rate of 500 naira. So you make the gain of 150. We all know that MTN data 1 gig data is 1012. So by buying data from them at cheap rates, you can sell to your friend at the rate of 500 or 600 if you like. So you make your money from there. The next way to make money in this site is by buying airtime. You can start selling airtime to people and make money from this site. In this site they will sell recharge card for you at the rate of 90 naira. We all know, for example, if you want to buy 100 naira recharge card, they will sell it to you in this site at the rate of 90 naira. You can also make money in this site by recharging people's DSTV, GoTV and StarTime. You can help people to recharge their DSTV, GoTV and StarTime. You make money from them. You can also help people to pay electricity bill online and make money from them. Now for you to get started in making money from this site, the first thing you need to do is to register. For you to register to these sites, there's a link in my description. Kindly click on the link and register. So the next step now is for us to register. So click on the register. It's going to load. So once you click on register, these are the information you need to provide: your full name, your phone number, password. So let's start. I already have an account with them that contain my full name, so I'm going to use a different name now. So let me use Adi. Then you give it a space, Victor. The next thing, you enter your phone number. This is the phone number I'm using. Then you enter the password you want to use. Then refer by admin, you leave it in this way. Then once you have entered your information, you click on register. Now you can see it's very simple to register to this website. So this is your for you to check your dashboard, you click here. This is your accounts that we just register now. You can see your dashboard there, but this is your dashboard already. This is the account we just created. So in this site you have a wallet where you can deposit money that you are going to use to purchase from them. So firstly let us look at the way they sell their data in this site. You can see they say cheap internet mobile data plan. You can see they sell their MTN 1 gig at the rate of 335 naira for 1 gig. You can see the amount they sell 2 gig, 5 gig. For us to get normal 1 gig MTN, we all know that MTN 1 gig is 1012. So let's look at the Etisalat plan. You can see the rate they sell their data as well. Let's take a look at Glo also. We can see that is for airtime. So this is the first way you make money in this site. For you to, if you want to buy MTN plan, the first thing you need to do is to fund your wallet. So let's fund our wallet. Although I don't have any money to put in there now, so you click on deposit money. So in deposit money, it's going to ask you amount to deposit. So let me say you are depositing 500. You are depositing 500. So it's going to ask you for select your payment option. Is either you pay with ATM card or through bank transfer. So I will advise you to pay with ATM card. So let's click on it, then you click proceed. Mind you, all your information is secure in this site. For you to make your payment, it's going to charge you a token. You can see it charges 6 naira, so it's going to charge you a token. So you click on pay now. All your information you want to enter in this site, it's been saved. So all what it required you to enter is your card number, then the date, the valid date in your ATM, and the CVV number at the back of your ATM. Note, your ATM card is being saved here, your account is being saved here. So for now, I'm not making any payment, so let's back it by canceling payments here. So back it. I just show you this on how to deposit your to fund your wallet. So once you enter your ATM information, they are going to send you a OTP pin. So you enter the pin, so they will debit the amount from your account. So the amount they debit will reflect here in your wallet as 500 naira. So the next step is, after you have money in your wallet, you can then use the money to buy data or airtime from there. Let me say, for example, we want to buy data. We are going to click on buy data now. So you can see the amount you have in your wallet will reflect here, but we have zero kobo in our wallet. Then you are going to select the type of data you want to buy. You select MTN, then you select how many gigabytes you want. You can see the different plans they have, so you select the one. So you select any one you want. So then if it's that you want to recharge data for yourself, you enter your phone number here. But if it's that you are buying it for people, you enter their phone number here, and make sure you didn't do any mistake. If it's MTN data plan you're buying, enter MTN phone number here. You can see the amount they will charge you for you getting 500 MB from there is this. So you won't click on automatic review. Now let me explain clearly to you how to make money here. By buying data here, you can get 500. Let me say 1 gigabyte. In this site, we know we can get MTN 1 gigabyte at the rate of 335 naira. So, and we all know that MTN data costs 1,012. So you can just decide to, okay, hello friends, I have a data, I sell data at cheap price. You can place an advert, tell people about it. You sell data at cheap price, you can charge them 500 naira or 600 naira, but I will advise you to charge them less, so more people will patronize you. So from there, once you charge them that, you then tell them to transfer to your account. Once they transfer to your account, you then use that money to fund your wallet. In this business, you don't need to have any capital to start it. You don't need any capital to start this business. All what is needed is advertise, tell people you sell data, and if they are ready, they'll buy from you.